Coucher and let's check out what's inside. These are our Gaggenau ovens. So you can see here we've shown it like a cube, and these are again the tall units from Leicht.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಪ್ರಜಾವಾಹಿನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಕಾಮಿನಿ ಮಾನೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವೆನ್ಯೂ ಕುಶೆ ಮಿಸ್ ಶ್ರುತಿ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಟು ಆರ್ ಶೋ. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಮಾಡರ್ನ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
See, right now the current trend with Indian market is people always go for modular kitchens, and people keep traveling to Europe, US, throughout the world. So they want to have a modular kitchen at their home as well, something that's more innovative, and that's what we are bringing to people at in Avenue Couche. So we try to do the most innovative design concepts as possible that you can see here in our showroom. And as a brand, Leicht, which we have been tied up with, is the most premium brand available throughout Europe. It has a history of 93 years with 55 countries in the world, and it's one of the best available with respect to the modular kitchen industry. And we try to give that kind of ultra modern luxury experience here. Apart from that, why modular kitchen is, it's easy to use, easy to function, and it's long lasting. The life of a kitchen is more than 15 years, and even if you get bored with some sort of finish that you've put or anything, you can keep changing the doors and everything else. You can just retain the carcass.
You thought of giving such a unique name, Avenue Couche. What does this mean?
Avenue Couche, it's inspired because of the opulent avenues of New York, and New York is one of the most expensive places in the world. And there, if you see the Fifth Avenue, Madison Avenue, the Times Square, everything is with the most expensive brands and expensive stores in the world is in New York. So that's why Avenue. And Couche because it's a German word for kitchen.
Okay.
So everything kitchen is Couche. So that's the reason Avenue Couche. And German, I think you already know because they're engineering and they have very precision to detail, because of which Avenue Couche.
And you are from, you have completed your education?
I have done my master's in US basically.
So you just got an idea to do that?
My family is always into construction and we are builders as well, and we are in this industry from the past 25 years almost, and my main target was to give something unique to my people in India. That's the reason I wanted to move back to India with a brand that sustain for a lifelong, and these are brands that are there for decades, not for just a year or two. It's going to be there with our country, with us at our home for decades to come.
Why did you choose this profession?
It's not a profession as such, it's an experience. Like my tagline says, experience beyond luxury. It's just an experience because when you have traveled abroad, when you have seen the world, you would want to have that kind of experience here, especially in India. We want to have that kind of experience and we want to bring down that experience here. So that's the reason what we are doing here is so unique.
How is sales going so far?
Sales as such, see, ours is not a store where every day, there are like 10 walk-ins or 20 people come, they buy something and go. It's not a store or it's not an experience like that. So we have very unique niche clientele in the crowd. So people walk in at their own pace, their own time. Weekends we have a lot of people coming in. So only people who can actually relate to a modular kitchen or relate to that German engineering or the brands that are available in US. Like we have Gaggenau, Sub-Zero, Wolf as our appliance brands. So only people who can relate to those kind of appliances try to walk into our store. So it's not like an everyday sales, but definitely I think our company work started from the last 1 year. And we have almost crossed 1 CR already, and we are doing good numbers. And we have clientele throughout India. Like we have people reaching to us from Hyderabad, from Rajasthan, from Bangalore, from Chennai. So a lot of people who know about these brands are reaching out to us. So that's what is important.
What are the benefits of modular kitchen?
Benefits of modular kitchen is basically one thing, it's easy to install and easy to unfix. Let's say you're moving out and you want to take your modular kitchen with you. If it's a modular kitchen, We can come down, just unscrew everything and then pack it up and then take it to your new home and we can install it there. But if it's a carpentered kitchen or something that's locally done by a carpenter at home, it's already fixed. So the carcass gets damaged, then you'll have to, like remove it, and there's a lot of complications going on. So that's definitely one good benefit. And the other thing is that usually the wood that people use in India for carpentered kitchens is not of good quality. So it starts to eat away, the termite starts to eat away the wood, and the quality of wood deteriorates over the period of time. But if it's a modular kitchen, the wood or the panels that we are giving is very strong. Like I said, like these are going to last for 20 years almost. And we offer service, we offer warranty, so we are there to take care. So any issue, any problem, we are always there at your doorstep.
So what kind of warranty or assurity you are giving to the customers?
Like I said, like we give almost 10 years of warranty, and we offer service every 6 months to 1 year. And any issues with the parts or hinges or any issues with even with appliances, we do take care. So we are, like I said, we are always at the client's need, just a phone call away.
ಈ ಕಿಚನ್ನ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಈಗ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಯರ್ ಡೇ.
Yes, for women especially.
Especially women, they will much before you enter into your puja room, or kitchen ne first enter ಆಗೋದು. And kitchen is something where it's like the heart of the home. So cook ಆಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ, and then you spend time, you talk to friends there, you eat, you talk to kids there. So our day start ಆಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ, our day end ಆಗೋದು ಅಲ್ಲೇ. So it's like I said, like it's a place where people meet, dine and socialize. So it's the most important aspect of a woman, and so that's why kitchen select ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಗನೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ತಾಯಿಗೋ ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರ ವೈಫ್ಗೋ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಿಚನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕೇಳಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ವುಮೆನ್ basically it's not that women are like accustomed to being in a kitchen, but they would love to cook. It's not only women, nowadays even men love to cook. So that cooking experience should be something that's unique. So if it's a normal kitchen, if it's something that's not you're not happy with, you would not feel like stepping into that kitchen. ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಗಿಷ್ಟ ಆಗುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕಿಚನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂದು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಡಿಸೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಆ ಥರ
ಒಂದು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಿಚನ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಫಾರ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ರಿಚ್ ಪೀಪಲ್? ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ಸ್?
ರಿಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆ ಥರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಿಚನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮನೆ ಮೇಲೆ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಒಂದು 2 crores ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ 4-5 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ US, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೈಕ್ 20 lakhs, 30, ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಕ್ರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯಿತು, 40, 50, 80. ಈಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೈಕ್ 2 crores, 5 crores, and even apartment prices are going up to 10-12 crores as well. And villas ಅಂತೂ ಕೇಳಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲ at least 3-4-5 crores ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ people are ready to spend for kitchens, and kitchens ಈಗ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಜನ ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋ ಅಂಥದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಜೆಟಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕಡಿಮೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಆ ಥರ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಮಿನೇಟ್ ಫಿನಿಷಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಿನಿಯರ್ ಫಿನಿಷಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ಎಂಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪುಟ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಶ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ is going to be little high priced only, and the quality and the durability is very long. So because of that 25 lakhs, 20 to 25 lakhs in the start ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and it goes up to more than 1 crore. ಆ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗು. ಬಟ್ ಫಿನಿಶಸ್ಸು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿಯಿಂದ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾರಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ?
ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಲೈಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕಿಚನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅವರು ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರು ಪಾಪ, ಇವನ್ ದೋ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಅವರು ಬಂದು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಂದರೆ they want to establish the brand in India because it's such a big brand. And our kadena namge constant support. Every week we have calls, we have updates, what kind of marketing they can help us with, architects reach agodagli, builders reach agodagli, lot of help coming from their end. With respect to appliance brands like Gaggenau, Sub-Zero and Wool, outdo ashte, they have a sales team in Bangalore, they have a service team here, so they're at our support constantly here.
ಮುಂದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಇನ್ನೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಹೈದ್ರಾಬಾದ್, ಚೆನ್ನೈ, ದೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ಹುಡ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ಗೆ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಿಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡಿಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲರ್ನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮೋರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂಗು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬೆಥನಿ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೆರಿಟೋರಿಯಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ವೈಸ್ ನಾನು ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅನ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಸೋದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಬುಕ್ಕಿಶ್ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್. So a practical experience and how do you apply it to things, that's very important. So that's something that I couldn't learn here. So only when I went back to US, I could see that practical experience. Like I worked in Google for some time there, and I could see how a product is developed, like from the initial stage till a product is released out into the consumer market. So our journey ide alva, that is something that inspired me. So illu ashte, this is also like a product. ಈಗ ಕಿಚನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಶೋರೂಮ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಲೇಔಟ್ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಸೈಟ್, ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಚನ್ಸ್ ದೇ ನೀಡ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಆರ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ವಿ ಡೂ ಅ 2D, 3D, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ ಶೋರೂಮ್, ಗಿವ್ ದಮ್ ಅ ಡೆಮೋ ಅಗೇನ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸೈನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ವಿತ್ ಜರ್ಮನಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು 3 months ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ವಾಟರ್, ರೈಟ್, ಸಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋ ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ 4 months ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಿಚನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲೇಷನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ. And you need to know how to handle that as well. So ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕಲಿತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೀ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಮ್ ಆಟೋಮೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಏನೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಆಚೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ವೈರಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಒಂದು PCB ಕಾಂಪೊನೆಂಟಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಂಡರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಗರಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, development, execution, automation, different phases are there. So adondu journey inda I got inspired that we have to do something here, and I wanted to do something here and be an entrepreneur, but be a right entrepreneur and give the right thing.
In your showroom, what kind of brands are there?
Brands, like I said, we have Leicht as our kitchen brand, which is the most premium brand, and other than that we have Gaggenau. Gaggenau is again a German brand with almost 338 years of history. So they are into appliances completely, all built-in appliances including steam ovens, baking ovens, coffee machines, hob, hood, induction, teppanyaki, refrigerators, wine units, dishwashers. They have a whole cooking range. And coming to the other brand, Sub-Zero is like one of the best brands available in the world for refrigeration. And they have their manufacturing facility in US. It's a US based brand with 70 years of history, and they have a NASA patented technology again. So it's very healthy to eat out of a Sub-Zero refrigerator. And other than that, we have Wolf. Wolf is again a subsidiary brand of Sub-Zero that is also having around 70 years of history, and it comes with cooking ranges, mostly all the dual fuel ranges, the barbecue grills. They have very good cooking ranges, hob, hoods, and coffee machines, ovens, everything. So these are my appliance brands, and like I said, like Leicht is our kitchen brand. We have a lot of finishes there, including laminates, veneer, glass, textured laminates, textured veneer, and then we have stone finishes, concrete, ceramic, quartz, steel, metallic finishes. We have a wide range of collections, wide range of designs.
In your company, you have both national and international brands?
See, all these are international brands. Why we are depicting these brands here is people will get visibility because ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಂಚೈಸೀಸ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ವೈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ವೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅದು ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ಡೆಪಿಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. And moreover, these brands, it's not that we are depicting an international brand, but we are bringing those brands to our country because we want people to get that exposure, and we want people to use those brands and understand why we are, representing those brands, because of the quality of engineering and the work and the precision, and every product is handcrafted.
According to you, what is the most important appliance in the kitchen?
Kitchen ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ there is no there's nothing that you say that there's no one appliance that you can say that's very important, because each and every appliance is important in a kitchen. I would say definitely a hob, which is something where you start cooking. So a gas hob or ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್, ಅದೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಒಂದು ಕಿಚನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದಲ್ಲದೆ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ಟು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೊ ಹಾಬ್ ಹುಡ್, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ. ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋವೇವ್ ಬೇಡ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಅವನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಒಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ. ಅದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಕಾಫಿ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಬೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅವನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಶ್ ವಾಷರ್ ಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರಿಡ್ಜು, ಒಂದು ಹಾಬ್ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೀಮ್ ಅವನ್, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್.
What's the usable storage capacity of a refrigerator?
Refrigerator, we have very high storage capacity and different sizes as well. We go up to like 600, 700, 800 liters also. And we have different customizable sizes like 3 feet, 4 feet, 5, 6 feet also. So Sub-Zero as a brand, they have a lot of customization. Gaggenau as a brand, they have multiple options available for refrigerators as well. So capacity wise, we are very.
What are the delivery options you are giving to the customers?
Delivery options is we take care of delivery. So we have our own team to take care. So once the order is closed and let's say the client has made a payment and all that, so and once we receive our shipment, the client will let us know when they would want a delivery, when they would want an installation. So we follow up with them. Based on that, we have a delivery team. So they will go and first do a site inspection, and if there is space available, they will go and unload it there, and then we have a installation team who will go and do the installation. So there's no issues with delivery at all. So we take care of it end to end.
So far, what do people say about the product?
So far, the kind of response that I have received for Liced, Gaggenau, Sub-Zero, Wolf that we are representing is, lot of people have felt very happy to see such high-end brands represented in Bangalore. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಂದಿದ್ದರು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಇನ್ವೈಟೆಡ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಡೌನ್, ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಹೊಸ ಮನೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ, ದೇ ಆಲ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಕಿಚನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟ್ರೈ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್.
Why should customers choose Avenue Couche?
See, why clients have to come to Avenue Couche is trust, quality, and the kind of reassuring things that we give at our store. And like I said, it's an experience center. So when people come here, they get to live experience the cabinetry, the carcass inside, the quality of the pull-outs, or whether it's flap-up units, doors, and any cutlery units, whatever we have displayed here in our showroom. They can live come and experience that. They can touch, they can feel if this is the right price that they're paying for it. So only after they see that, then we would go into the next level of discussion. So I think from the time we've opened our showroom, we have had a lot of walk-ins coming in, and there's not a single client who has gone back saying that we don't want you guys to design the kitchen. So every person has immediately shared their plan. They've asked us to start designing the kitchen. So walk-in that came into our store have liked our kitchen. So I can just say that it's left to the client, because when they feel, they experience, they know the difference and why they're paying this much or this high price. So paying this high price, it's not like a high price, but it's the right price, right? So that trust and quality is something that we're trying to build here at Avenue Kuche, and people will get to know about that through our name. So I'm sure about that.
I just wish you luck that your Avenue Kuche just reach out to people all over India as well as out of India. ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ?
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅನ್ನೋದು ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಸಿಟಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮೇಲೆ. ನಾನು ಯು ಎಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲೈಟಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಆ ಒಂದು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಲೈಕ್ ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ವೈಬ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಕಿಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಸೆಡ್, ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಯು ಎಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋದವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ನನಗೆ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಬ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋ ರೀಸನ್ ಅದೇ, ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲೇ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಆ ಥರದೊಂದು ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ರೀಸನ್ನಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, ಆರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ.
How did you get inspired to do this?
I can say inspiration is something that I've always been having as a kid. So, like I said, like when I was studying also, I got inspired from my lectures, teachers in school about things that they used to talk, and I used to see kids playing and doing a lot of things, but I was more like focused and had certain things on my mind, and I used to follow time, very punctual, and even if it's an exam, I used to be there on time or a little bit early, but never late. So I was always a student where I had thoughts to learn more, to get to know a lot of things and see which is my area of interest. So like that, school got over, moved to college, did my engineering from BMS College, Bangalore, and after that I moved to US. I think the first day when I landed there in New York, it was almost midnight, 12 o'clock, and I was just going through the streets of New York, the Times Square, and that was my first in-hand experience, and I was maybe around like 23, 24 that time. And when I was seeing New York, it just inspired me so much, because the city never sleeps. Yes. They're always working. They're constantly working to strive to do something better. And New York is a planned city. They have so much planned. It's a beautiful city with a lot of infrastructure. I got inspired there itself. That entire avenues that I was going through, all the 7th Avenue, 9th Avenue, Madison Avenue, the Central Park, we were all passing through all that to get to my college, my university. I got inspired that moment right there, that if I'm going to go back to India, I need to do something there that's going to relate to this. And if I'm bringing an international brand here, that's going to be because of my experience abroad, my interest as a kid, and I wanted to be an entrepreneur that can actually give something good to my clientele. It's not like I'm developing a product and people shouldn't be using it. They should use it for the rest of their lives. So that's something that I wanted to bring to my people, to my country, and I got inspired there. And as a kid, like I said, I was always determined. So all that led me here. That's all I can say.
Thank you for giving your precious time with us and sharing your experience. Thank you for coming to the show, ma'am.
Thank you for having me here. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೋರೂಮು HSR ಲೇಔಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you're going to experience that kind of feeling and that luxury that I'm talking about. And ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ will definitely catch up, and I'm always here to support and encourage and give you guys the best. Thank you. Let's check out what's inside. This is Wolf. Wolf is again a US based brand for cooking, and this brand is basically one of the best brand available in the world. Wolf as a brand, they are into a lot of cooking range products, and this is a barbecue grill from Wolf. This is made of high grain stainless steel. Why this is the best available in the market is this unit is completely made in Madison, Wisconsin, USA. And this as a brand, they have very high-end barbecue grills. If you see here, this barbecue grill is made of ceramic briquettes. The normal barbecue grills that you see available in the market has charcoal, carbon and lava stones and all that. Charcoal and carbon is very harmful and poisonous for us if we inhale it or even have it on our food. So because of which we have to go for a product like this. The ceramic briquettes in it, you need not replace the product or anything inside it. So you can put your meat or vegetables or anything can be kept here and grilled. There are halogen lights inside. You can have this on a cart as well, and you can just take it outside, maybe your farmhouse or your balcony, your terrace, or even by the pool you can have this. This is one of the best available in the world because of its ease of use, functionality, cleaning. The excess drain liquid gets collected in this tray here, and that you can just remove it and clean it. And this is a gas operated model. So this is again Wolf barbecue. Then this is a side burner from Wolf again. This burner is again a very high flame burner with almost like 14 kilowatt of wattage. This burner, you can use it to have a side dish prepared, or maybe like meat or vegetables or biryanis or anything can be done here. And you see these red knobs, these are the signature knobs from Wolf again. So they have something in red or black, so it's one of their brand's highlighted feature. So even if you see anywhere in most of the Hollywood movies or even European movies, you see these very high-end stainless steel appliances with the red knobs for Wolf, and that's why it's the best. These are our Gaggenau ovens. So you can see here we've shown it like a cube, and these are again the tall units from Leist. So this is a steam combi oven. It's a handleless model again. So steam oven, you can do basically steam cooking, baking, grilling, everything in this. Your water container is here, right here, this one. And your wastewater container is right here. So this oven, you can use it to make your biryani, steam cooking, baking, grilling, momos, steamed vegetables, rice, dal, everything can be done. So it's a combination oven. This is again a baking oven, where you can have it comes with a rotisserie split as well, and you can have baking, grilling, pizzas, anything can be made in this. It comes with a blue enamel coating, so nothing gets stuck on top of it. Again, there's a 4-layered glass, so the heat doesn't come out. So even the excess hot air comes out through the bottom and the ventilation grill at the bottom here. So this is again our micro combi oven. This is also a handleless model, which is Gaggenau's 400 series that you see here. It's a microwave and a grill, and this again is our coffee machine. So all types of coffees can be done in this, which is like cappuccino, espresso, latte, americano, anything can be done. So this one, if you see here, the milk container is right here. This is for the fresh coffee beans, and this is for the water container. This again, all these models have Wi-Fi operated, so you can operate them on your phone, mobile app, you can control them. So this is again our food warmer. You can have your plates, cups, and even like food kept warm inside this. This is like one of our fast selling, especially the coffee machines, steam combi ovens and the baking ovens. So this is again our Leist kitchen with veneer finish that you see here. This basically is our wall units, soft close. Here in the base units we have a dishwasher here. This one is again a handleless model. So you have profile handles that you see here. These are all your deep pull-outs, your cutlery inserts and all that. And you can see here is our Gaggenau Teppanyaki, which is one of our best-selling model. So you can have your dosas on top of it directly. It's like a pan. You can have pancakes, you can do omelets, you can do saute, you can have paneer, anything can be done on top of this. So it's like a pan, and cleaning is very easy. You can just put a wet towel and on top of that ice cubes and just clean it. This is again your exhaust, which is your downdraft. It's a chimney. So the exhaust happens from both the ways like this, and this is your induction again. So you can see there's no controls on top of this. The controls are only on the front panel here. So anything you want to turn on, you just press and turn it on, and then you can see the controls coming up here as well. This again is your exhaust. So the exhaust is one of our best from Gaggenau. These are basically models that are good for island, and when you have like a beautiful island and you don't want too many projections coming out from your ceiling, you can go for something like this. Now you see the exhaust has already started and there's suction happening. So this is again from Gaggenau, one of our best selling model. This apart from having a kitchen, so we also provide your sinks, faucets, and even the countertop, which is Caesar stone, which is an engineered stone. Sink is again from our company as well, Liced. So we have sinks from Blanco, we have different companies and brands. Faucets is also from Blanco that we are selling here. So it's a whole kitchen that we're trying to sell. Kitchen, appliances, countertops, sinks, faucets, everything we do take care. And this is again your sink unit. This is again your pull out. So everything is right here. It's easily accessible, and then you need not be running here and there to pick cutleries and bowls and all that. So you have your island here, and then you have another unit of kitchen here to operate from. Now another thing that we've integrated in this kitchen is our built-in refrigerator. So you see that it comes with a custom door panel. Here we've given veneer, so you can have glass and whichever color your kitchen panel comes with. So there's a refrigerator here from Gaggenau again. This is our full fridge, which is 3 feet wide. You can see how big and mighty it is, and this is your freezer again. And this one is again a 3 feet wide fridge and a 2 feet wide freezer. So it's inside stainless steel, and the cooling effect is just amazing. Both of them are separate models. We have just stacked them up side by side. We have different sizes in this, like it goes from 3 feet, 2.5 feet, 2 feet as well. Even the freezers can be customized, so we have different sizes. This is one of the best selling models again from Gaggenau, because nowadays people require a lot of storage spaces. You see in COVID, a lot of people had to stack up food and all that. But definitely a big fridge or a big refrigerator is needed in a modern kitchen, because we have lots of fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, flowers, so many things to store up and stack up, and that's why Gaggenau is here. It's creating a difference. And here on the island we have an induction with controls in the top, and then we have a single burner with a brass burner again in the center, and then we have a grill. Grill is again with lava stones. So these are separate units. We've stacked them side by side. So all of this can be, you can mix and match them. You can have 2 burners here, you can have induction in the center, you can have grill on the side. So it's according to your choice. And for this we've just given an extraction from the ceiling. So this one is again like a very beautiful ceiling exhaust that comes down. The exhaust is not connected, it goes with a recirculating filter inside it. So after 8 months or so you can remove it and put it inside your oven if you have a recirculating carbon filter or a regenerating carbon filter, and that can undergo paralytic cleaning to remove the grease stuff and all that, and then you can directly put it back here and use it for a couple of more cycles. So this is again height adjustable. So let's say you want to stop the chimney at a certain height, you can stop it. And even with respect to the lights, there's lighting again. So let's say you don't want the chimney right now and it's hitting you, it's again height adjustable, so it will go back to up by itself. So it's height adjustable. You see that I just stopped it and then it just stopped, and again now you don't want it to be here, so you're just lifting it up. So it goes back up again. So this island here is our concrete finish that we're trying to portray and depict. This is a very beautiful finish. If you just feel the texture, you'll probably know what I'm talking about. And this is one of our trending finishes and very innovative concept from Lice. There might be other brands dealing with concrete texture and all that, but this is a beautiful finish and it just highlights the look of your kitchen altogether. You can see here. So very, very beautiful, and you can just feel the concrete texture here. It's having a soft close, and this is also the same. And these come with the profile handles or the Gola profiles. This is again your cutlery trays. For this entire island, we have our Caesar stone. This Caesar stone is called Vanilla Noir, and it's a very beautiful finish. It's basically matte, and you can see how beautiful the appliances have blended in all together. This is again our 400 series that I was talking about. So these are all your knobs. Instead of having them on the countertop, it's on your the kitchen cabinet. So you see the beautiful colors, how neatly it's getting highlighted and it's coming out. This is again our liced pullouts. This is a 1200 mm pullout. You see the beautiful glass sides, so that you get it even in the aluminum or different colors based on your carcass. We have carbon grey, white, platinum and aluminum finish, metallic finishes, everything. So this is how you operate them. So it turns off. And you can just feel the side panel here. It's a very beautiful concrete texture. One of our best. This is our L-shaped kitchen, and this is a matte lacquered glass finish from Lice. It's a very subtle olive grey color that we have here. And then you see it's a handleless model, and it's a built-in fridge that comes here. Top fridge and bottom freezer from Gaggenau. And this comes with a profile handle, so you can open the door by itself. You see the top storage here, and this is your freezer storage. It's a 2 feet wide fridge, so it's a good fridge for a family of like 2 or even 3 people. You can neatly store all your fruits, veggies, everything. And let's move on to our ovens. So this is again Gaggenau 200 series ovens with handles. It's a black anthracite model again. It's very beautiful and very classy. The steam combi oven that we have here with water container here and the wastewater container here. Steam cooking, baking, grilling, rice, idlis, biryanis, anything can be done here. It's a steam oven. Along with that, it's a combinational oven. This is your baking oven again, similar to what we saw earlier. So this has baking, grilling, roasting, rotisserie split, everything here. So this is again housed in a tall unit. So usually people have a microwave and an oven, or a steam oven and a baking oven, something like this. Like now the trend is they want to have 2 ovens, one for sure, or some people want to have a coffee machine and the oven. So it just depends altogether. And this is again your cupboard where you have storage. Then there's a bottom storage here as well. This is again for storage of your oven trays, accessories, gloves, everything. And probably let's move on to the next section of the kitchen. So here we have our typical 5-burner Indian gas cooktop with all the brass burners, and then you have like 2 burners, single burner. So almost the total power outage of this unit is 18 kilowatt, and it's a very powerful cooktop from Gaggenau, one of our fastest moving models available in the market today. So there are 5 controls all on the top, and the stone that you see here is a Caesar stone again. This is an engineered stone from US. These are again pull-outs, like a cutlery insert and all that. So you see the finish is so beautiful, and the thickness of the panel and inside carcass as well. This is your cutlery insert. It's all made of wood again. This is again a deeper pull-out for your plates, your big vessels, let's say bowls, everything else to hold. This one here is a hood basically. So this is a Gaggenau hood. It's a concealed hood. So the concept is nobody wants to know that there's a hood here. So the motor is housed inside this and the exhaust is connected outside. So when you're using it, you just pull it out and then the chimney starts by itself. And once the cooking is done, you can just neatly close it inside. It just gets inside and then it's done, it's stored there. Now this is your flap up unit. So this is all automatic. It's just very convenient to use. There's a switch here that pulls down the unit back. So there's a servo motor drive mechanism that Leist is using. This is again the same. So the motor unit is housed inside this and then the exhaust is connected outside. So this is also a very beautiful flap up unit. You can have some storage as well. You can see the soft close mechanism as well. And this one here is our corner unit and this is our corner pull out. So it's easily accessible. You can even access the last part of the unit when you're not using it or when you've taken something inside it, you can neatly close it. So it's all soft close, soft open. This is again your waste bin unit with a dustbin and anything else to store here. And this is our sink again from Blanco. The faucet is from Blanco. And this is again a small storage unit here with a nice beautiful cutlery insert. So yeah, this is our kitchen, and then you can see our Fierce shelf rack system here where we have put down some small artifacts and everything. And this is a very beautiful kitchen with a combination of Excava stone and a matte lacquer glass finish, which is olive grey. And the plans also are very soft and subtle, so you don't have too much happening here. So it's a stainless steel finish that blends along with the base units, and then you have black, which is contradicting this entire design, and it's a contrast and a beautiful element adding up. Then you have a Fierce shelf rack system to hold your cups, crockery or anything that you would want to just showcase it as an artifact, some plants, some books, etc. And here we are with Wolf. Wolf is a steam convection oven. This oven is again one oven for everything. It's steam oven, baking, grilling, roasting, and reheating. Everything can be done in this. So this is where your water tank is, where your water can go into this. And this one oven is beautiful. You can see the stainless steel exterior along with the black glass. This one again is the proper American cooking oven. And even in India, a lot of people love to have such an oven because it's very easy to operate, not too many controls, not too many buttons to use, not too many functions to remember. One oven for everything, just have knobs to operate it, and it's one of our best. And moving on ahead, we have Wolf, which is our hood. This is our wall hood, and Wolf hoods, the suction is very good. The motor's suction goes from around 900 to 2100, 2500 cmh almost. And why? Because Wolf burners are equipped to handle that kind of heat and cooking, and the exhaust is again that very powerful. So we have a 5-burner gas cooktop here again from Wolf. These comes with dual stack burners, very convenient to use. There are flames on both the sides of the ring. Wolf is specialized for their cooking ranges. Cooking range is something that is not so much of a trend in India, but nowadays a lot of people want a cooking range because in one range you have a 2-burner, you have an induction, you have grill, everything in one range, and then you have teppanyaki as well. So this is again on the island we have created a beautiful concept of 2-burner, which is a single module cooktop, an induction, and then we have a downdraft, and then the controls are right here for the downdraft to lift up. So the suction happens like this from both the sides, and there's an exhaust and a motor connector at the bottom base of the unit. So island is very beautiful. You have lights here and you don't want the beauty of the island to go. You go for downdraft like this from Wolf. This again, the suction is very good, like I just mentioned. It goes from 900 to 1500, 2000 cmh based on whatever kind of cooking you're doing on your island. Very convenient for Indian use because we usually do a lot of greasy stuff, do a lot of cooking, frying and all that. So in that way this is very powerful and easy to operate and easy to clean as well. And yeah, this is again from Leist, the island kitchen that we have here, and it's a beautiful Caesar stone Sepvario that we have laid here and a breakfast counter concept that we have created. So it's easy to operate, like you're cooking here and then you come down, you have something to fry here, you can do it, and you have storage here, you have storage here. So this is our Sub-Zero refrigerator. So why it's Sub-Zero, or why this refrigerator is that this is in the world from 70 years now, and it's a US based brand. So these guys specialize in refrigeration only. Their refrigerators are the best because they have an inbuilt air purifier, which is a NASA patented technology. It keeps scrubbing for bacteria, fungi and molds and any harmful gases that the vegetables or anything else emit. So every 20 minutes it keeps scrubbing it. So let's say when you keep a carrot next to an apple, it keeps emitting ethylene gas. So this gas has to be absorbed and cleaned. So that's what Sub-Zero does. And apart from that, there are magnetic gaskets on all four sides of the wall of the refrigerator. So it tightly packs and doesn't let any external air to go inside. Apart from that, now this refrigerator has top fridge and bottom, these are the freezer drawers that are there. Now this comes with also inbuilt water purifier. What water purifier does is, like, you have a water inlet, so you can have like fresh water, ice cubes, everything coming out of your refrigerator. Then there's always 100% uniform temperature maintained throughout the refrigerator. So there's no variation to spoil your food and all that. That's the specialty of Sub-Zero. Sub-Zero has different models, different series, like designer models, stainless steel models. If you have in and out stainless steel concept, that also can be done. So they have a lot of customization, and the trend is to have a Sub-Zero refrigerator at your home. That's what we are trying to offer here at Avenue Kuche. And yeah, it's a wrap up.